Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Happy Tech Guru. Please subscribe to my channel to get latest video updates. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about ASP.NET Core. So what is ASP.NET Core? Well, it is the open source version of .NET which Microsoft has come up. And also it actually includes MVC 6, you can say. So MVC 6, or you call it ASP.NET MVC Core, which is actually part of .NET Core. So it has got some of the killing features which can do lots of adoption and de-adoption of technologies which are currently used in the market. And one of them which is doing really well, that is ASP.NET Web API. And I think ASP.NET Core, or you call it .NET Core or MVC 6, it is going to affect ASP.NET Web API a lot. Why? Because there are some features which will go on top of Web API. So some of them are like it is cross-platform, it can run anywhere. And then the most important, which I feel, is self-hosting capabilities. So now ASP.NET Core applications can self-host themselves. No web server is required for hosting. So this is one of the most important feature which can actually bring ASP.NET Web API down. And then there are other features like they have done some improvements in the tags, which is a great help for development, and it speeds up the development. And then it is optimized for cloud. So when you deploy a core application on cloud, it automatically tries to get the relevant assembly. It doesn't load everything into it. So, and then there are a couple of more features which I will talk in my next video. So this was basically a brief introduction of MVC 6. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.